guys, welcome back to my channel. Excuse me for my face, it's so hot in here. Like, my whole house is cold, but then the bedroom, the minute I turn the filming lights on, my face and my body just gets so hot and red, so excuse that. But in today's video, I'm gonna be reviewing the new So Jaded palette. Well, it's not really too new, but for me it's new. I never tried it out. It's the Colourpop So Jaded Kathleen Lights collaboration. This palette looks freaking beautiful. Look at all these colors. They're so pretty. You can create so many different makeup looks with this. I believe this palette was only I think like $39, around like 30-40 bucks, which is not bad for a big eyeshadow palette like this. So yeah, I really wanted to review this palette, try out a couple of, these colors in here, and then maybe create like a cute New Year's Eve makeup look that you guys can wear out using this palette. So yeah, let's get started. Alright guys, so I'm going to prep my lids using the Colourpop No Filter Concealer. And I'm going to take this concealer on my eyelid and put that all over my eyelids. And then we're going to just blend that in real quick. Quick. So I think I'm going to go in that shade called Turquoise right here. And I'm going to take a small packing brush. So I'm going to take this small Morphe brush. So we're going to go into that shade Turquoise and then just kind of pack it on here on the outer corner of the eye. I haven't done a cute blue look in a long time. But I'm just curious how the pigment in these blue shades is going to work. So far it's pretty good. The pigment on it is not you know how certain Morphe palettes, they have a lot of pigment but they get really patchy the minute you start blending them out. This is pretty good so far. Oh my god, my face is so red. I'm gonna just kind of put this all over the whole lid. It's gonna be the transition shade. Doesn't have to be too perfect because we're gonna cut out a cut crease and then put the foundation, underneath our face. So it doesn't really matter. Just gonna keep packing that on and then doing the same thing on this eye. I really like the pigment of the shade. It's not patchy at all. I would say definitely Colourpop shadows are one of my favorite, palettes and shades, I guess. I don't even know what I'm saying. Wow, this is really pretty. And that I just literally just put on one shade. Alright, and then I'm gonna grab this smaller brush like this. Just kind of try to smoke it out. And we're gonna just keep packing the shade right here on the outer corner of the eye. Like this. And I'm gonna take that brush we used earlier and just kind of try to blend these two shades together. Wow, I think this is definitely one of my new favorite eyeshadow palettes. Look at that. It's not patchy at all, which is really surprising. Usually with colors like this, they get really patchy. I'm gonna take that shade My Precious. It's a light, a caramelly, vanilla shade to just kind of blend out the edges right here. Just kind of soften everything. Ooh, that's cute. Alright, so I'm gonna do the same thing on this eye and then, we'll move on from there. Alright, so I finished up the other eye and then we're gonna use the concealer and cut out the crease. That's good for the crease. And I'm going to try to take another, like a similar small brush like that. And then I'm going to go into this shade called Aquamarine right over here. It's such a pretty, let me swatch it for you guys. It's like such a pretty blue color. So I'm just going to take this brush. I'm going to probably wet it with my Morphe like setting spray. Just kind of spritz that. And then we're going to grab that color. Ooh. That's such a pretty like shimmer shade. Wow. That is beautiful. And there's not too much fallout in this palette as well. I feel like this is literally, like I said, one of my favorite palettes ever. There's no fallout, it's not patchy. The glitters are actually applying really smoothly. Wow. I'm impressed, guys. Wow. I cannot stop saying wow, but whew. Okay, so we have that. And then let me apply that glitter right here called Oval. This is a really glittery, chunky glitter. Alright, let me try to use my finger and see how they apply with the finger. Okay, not bad. Ooh. Okay, guys, this is absolutely freaking beautiful. Wow. Wow. Okay, what do you guys think? I mean, for me, like, I feel like this is, like, literally one of my new favorite, like, eyeshadow palettes. I love it. Wow. If you guys want to buy this, please go buy this. Like, go support Kathleen. Like, she's literally one of my favorite YouTubers, and congrats to her with this palette. Like, wow, such a good freaking palette. I love it. So yeah, I'm gonna go quickly finish my face of the camera. I'll pop some lashes on, and I'll show you guys the finished look using this eyeshadow palette. Be right back. Alright guys, so I'm back with the finished look. I used the Colourpop Liquid Ultra Bulleted Lip in Scenic Growl. So this is the color I used. And then for the lip liner, I used the Huda Beauty Lip Contour in Trophy Wife. So this is the lip pencil. And then the final step that I have this new Tarte Cosmetics Stay Spray. And I'm going to spray this all over my face. Ooh, this is a decent, like, heavy bottle. So I'm going to spray this all over my face to set the makeup in. Ooh, it has a nice, like, fresh smell. And I like the spray on that. Like, the spritzer is really nice. So, yeah, guys. What do you guys think of this look? I think it came out really pretty. I feel cute. Alright guys, so I guess this is all for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. It would mean a lot to me. I know my last video was doing really good, surprisingly. So I hope you guys gonna enjoy this video as much as you enjoyed my last one. And yeah, I guess that's all for today. And I love you guys. See you in my next one. Bye.